best shampoos for every hair type in 2022. Building a solid hair care routine and achieving your 2022 hair goals starts with a good, salon-quality shampoo.
Because when you have this hair essential down pat, you don't need to mess with loads of other styling products or treatments. Your hair will look and feel that good.
The years of buying random shampoo bottles at your local drugstore are over.
2022 is the year we get more serious about what ingredients go into our shampoo and the benefits we get out of it. So don't step into another shower dreading using a shampoo that doesn't work for your hair.
We've gathered 10 of the best shampoos for 2022. In our list, you'll find the best of the best shampoo formulas and ingredients that have proven time and time again to give results.
Because that's really what it's all about.
1. Kevin Murphy, Hydrate Me Wash. As one of Australia's most sought-after hairstylists, it would be a shame not to mention at least one item from Kevin Murphy's line of salon-quality hair products.
The beloved Hydrate Me washes for dehydrated strands craving a long-lasting hit of hydration. To quench dehydrated hair, the formula is infused with cacao plum, an all-natural, highly concentrated form of vitamin C that packs hair with beneficial antioxidants. Shea butter nourishes dry strands by locking in moisture and wards off environmental hair stressors. Evening primrose oil hydrates and softens by drawing in water and supplying hair with nourishing omega-6 fatty acids.
2. Allahplex No 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Cherished by hairstylists and hair care enthusiasts alike is Allaplex's No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. As one of the best shampoos on the market, the universal formula works for all hair types from straight to tightly coiled, repairing past damage and protecting from future harm in just 1 minute lather. In addition, the sulfate-free formula doesn't dry hair or irritate the scalp. Instead, relying on fruit extracts and nourishing oils like the Vaccinium seed oil that hydrates hair with omega fatty acids, noni juice that conditions the scalp and clears buildup, and avocado oil that strengthens the hair shaft and prevents breakage. 3. R+Co Blue Deluxe Reparative Shampoo. Restorative hair care is a necessary step for those dealing with fragile, damaged, or unruly tresses. Creating a daily shampoo experience that addresses hair concerns like weakness, texture, and shine, R+Co Blue created their Deluxe Reparative Shampoo. This hair washes gently, cleanses dirt, oil, and buildup while improving hair elasticity, brightness, and strength. Natural plant extracts like blood orange and primrose protect and soften hair. At the same time, Tananu and Maracuja oils nourish strands, strengthen fragile hair, and seal cuticles for a smoother texture. Beloved hair ingredient argan oil also appears in this reparative shampoo to hydrate and boost shine. 4. Avida Invati Advanced Exfoliating Shampoo Light. Exfoliating shampoo might be the hair care product you didn't know you needed. Enter Avida's Invati Advanced Exfoliating Shampoo Light. The lightweight formula is ideal for fine, fragile hair that struggles with breakage and hair loss, or even those with normal hair that tends to get oily quickly. Avida is known for its naturally derived formulas, and this sulfate-free shampoo is no different. The lightweight shampoo gently exfoliates and purifies the scalp with wintergreen-derived salicylic acid and invigorating Ayurvedic herbs like ginseng and turmeric. Even though the formula is free of sulfates, it still creates a rich lather thanks to micellar cleansers and coconut-derived surfactants. 5. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. It's a common misconception that conditioner does all your moisturizing for you because those with dry or damaged hair need all the moisture they can get. Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo is suitable for all hair types, lengths, and thickness levels that want to nourish their hair and prevent future damage. Hair-healthy ingredients like B vitamins help restore nourishment to hair and scalp, so your locks have all the nutrients it needs to grow healthy and strong. Additional ingredients like algae extract supply hair and scalp with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. At the same time,
fatty acid-rich rosehip oil tames frizz and hydrates strands.
6. Verb Ghost Shampoo. Hair that quickly becomes flat, limp, or oily needs a shampoo that gently cleanses without weighing it down. Verb's Ghost Shampoo is formulated in a lightweight lotion consistency that cleans hair and scalp without sulfates or parabens.
The weightless formula packs a punch with nutrient-dense moringa seed oil that effortlessly moisturizes, smooths, and detangles hair.
R+Co protein strengthens strands, promotes hair growth, and prevents breakage.
Sunflower seed extract shields against UV damage, dryness, and color fading.
The formula works for most hair types and textures. Still, it is beneficial for those who want to tame frizz, combat thinning, add natural volume, and keep their color from fading.
7. Why Detox Shampoo.
Your taste buds might not like apple cider vinegar, but your hair sure will. As one of the best shampoos on our list, Wise Detox Shampoo clarifies hair and scalp with natural apple cider vinegar, which is known for its benefits like increasing shine and removing scalp buildup, flakes, and product residue. Additional ingredients like keratin soften hair and reduce frizz, while chelating agents remove impurities and hard water deposits. This detoxifying shampoo works for all hair types and textures, but is fantastic at treating an oily scalp.
8. Briogeo Colorful Shampoo.
Color-treated hair needs a shampoo that won't strip, damage, or alter the color you just spent all day in the salon for. This unique color-preserving formula by Briogeo works for all shades and levels of color-treated hair, from bright blondes and silvery grays to bright colors and chunky highlights.
Using only plant-based ingredients like fortifying Amazonian Briogeo oil, nutrient-dense mort, and lilac clay that cuts down on hair brassiness, this all-natural shampoo keeps color enhanced and hair healthy. 9. Act+Acre Cold Processed Hair Cleanse.
Sort of like a juice cleanse for your hair, there's Act+Acre's Cold Processed Hair Cleanse.
This innovative shampoo is free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances, making it safe for anyone who wants a practical, clean, and balanced scalp.
With a plant-based formula, Act+Acre relies on ingredients like apple amino acids to cleanse hair and scalp, baobab oil to support a healthy scalp microbiome, and ylang-ylang oil for ultimate balance. 10. Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo.
For a shampoo that's as bold and bougie as you are, there's Oribe's Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. This nourishing shampoo is formulated with fortifying ingredients like amino acids and biotin, which strengthen hair cuticles from the inside out to smooth and strengthen hair. The formula is enlivened with moisturizing ingredients like argan oil and maracuja oil, which replenish moisture and give hair a healthy shine.
The shampoo is also formulated with bromelain, a natural plant enzyme that gently exfoliates and boosts scalp circulation for balance and hair growth. The formula is also safe for color or keratin-treated hair.